Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dream and as you know Navratri ચાલુ જ છે અને outfit manage કરવું કેટલું મુશ્કેલ છે. So I'm here to show you a very small, tiniest quick fix you can ever see. This is a koti and we are going to transform it into something very beautiful, trendy with a beautiful back design and awesome. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Now wear it backside fronts, मतलब ઊંધું પહેરી લેજો. Hold the ends close as possible and with the help of a chalk mark it like so. Now trust me, કોઈ જોવા નથી આવવાનું તો પહેરી લેજો ઊંધું. સાચું કહું છું, કોઈ જોવા નથી આવવાનું તો ચાલશે, પહેરી લેજો. Once you have done your marking, with the help of a scale mark slant line. Because our bodies are not straight and we need to fit the top perfectly. Now from the point you have marked it, fold it right side in and pin it to the top from both the sides and stitch it down. This is what it should look like, slanted as you can see. Now for adding the dori design to the back, with the help of a matching color fabric, we need to create two straps, one for the hoop and the second one will be on which the hoops will get attached. Fold the fabric in half and then fold it again like so and close it with a top stitch. Measure the length of the strap and cut it equally, and for attaching the hoops, cut down all the hoops in 4 inches. First fold it and place it them where you want them and pin it down so it is easy to attach. Lastly, attach it to the top by placing it inside like so and pin it from both the sides and close it with a top stitch. With the help of a needle and thread, hand stitch this part as it won't come out and stay in place. Just take long hand stitches and it would be good to go. Now for making the dori, cut out a strip of fabric long enough. Fold it once and close it down the ends completely. With the help of a safety pin, turn the dori inside out like so. Tie up the dori in zigzag direction. I also added some latkans to the end of the dori just to have a pop of color in my outfit. That's it, you're done.
I can feel it in the air tonight. Do you feel it running through your veins? It's like kryptonite. 'Cause the sun is shining up above and the night is just as young as
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the transformation and if you do, please like, share, subscribe karjo and also don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Now you can cut off the back completely like the one which we stitch it, but it's your preference, okay? I kept it because of safety purpose. Now what if કાલે ઉઠીને કોટી પહેરવાનું મન થઈ ગયું તો આપણે ખોલીને પાછી પહેરી શકીએ ને, બીજું કાંઈ નહીં. Anyways, also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. And until next time, dream. Bye. Sorry, outro.